So, some hours later, I have now put the rust remover in, diluted that with some acetone, afterwards to rinse out the acid and to get rid of the grease, and then I mixed up the epoxy with 8% hardener and 5% acetone again. I recommend alcohol based or some sort of paint thinner, so I had the acetone, I used that. I've mixed it up, and now show you with the torch. Pretty good. Like that. So there. Did was I've been hanging up for about 20 minutes in different positions to let the epoxy run into the tank in different locations. Obviously, as I mentioned earlier, I had a particular focus on this part because I could see that the tank had not been treated before. The guy told me, the seller, but it didn't seem to have got anything on the top really, or either that was just really bad. So yeah, hoping for a good result. I'm going to leave it here for another 20 minutes, then turn it around again, hang it up or leave it there, depending on what's going on. And there is the project. There you go, guys. David here from bestbikingroads.com. Check it out, all the best biking routes. See you later.